Hello everyone, and welcome to the second part tutorial of how to model a washing machine. So this time we are going to continue modeling this box here. Right click, choose face, and we're going to choose all these faces, okay, that way. Now after you select those, shift select those, the lower part also, you see, that way. So now put your switch to 4 view, and from the side view or the front view I want you to hold down Control and mark select all these and all these. So basically we've left off with the top faces and the bottom faces. So I will switch back to perspective view so you can see this. Now extrude this, and when you extrude, open the attribute editor. It should open automatically, but if not, just open the attribute editor and add 2 divisions here and pull this blue arrow, which is the Z direction, up. Okay, so that way. Now right click, choose edge, double click this edge and bring this edge with the move tool down here, and then double click this edge and bring this edge up here. Okay, then press F8 once or twice to bring it back to object mode. Hold down shift, right click, insert edge loop, but this little box here. So this is the options. Reset this tool if it's not already been resetted, and we will add 1 edge loop here. So I want this to be somewhat the same thick as these two. Well, it's not exactly, but we can fix this later. And I want to add 1 more edge loop here, okay, that way, and then right click, choose face, press Q on your keyboard to switch to selection tool, and select this face, double click, shift double click this face, so it will loop select those, and then shift select this and double click this one, so it will loop select these. See? Now also I want you to shift select this, double click this one, so these also been selected, and finally I want you to choose this face and this face. Okay, so we have all those been selected. Now I will zoom in. First I will extrude once, okay, and I will zoom into the gizmo, and I want you to grab this blue arrow and pull this inside, push it inside, that way. Okay, just a little bit, not much, and then extrude it once more and do this a little bit more inside, okay, that way. After this, press F8 once or twice. Now it's in object mode, and if I will press 3, you can see it looks like this, the smooth preview. So I want you to press 1 to exit the smooth preview, and I want to add some more edge loops here. Hold down the shift, right click, insert edge loop. We will add 1 edge loop here at the side and 1 for here. Also here inside this thing we have, I want to add 1 here and 1 here. So now if I will press 3, this area will look straight, not rounded edges. And now we will add 2 more edge loops, actually 4. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and we should have add 1 more edge loop here. Okay, and if I will go down here, we need to add one here and one here, zoom inside here, add one edge loop here and one edge loop there. Okay, and press F8 once or twice to bring it back to object mode, and press 3, so it will look that way. Now I will go over shading and switch off the wireframe on shaded so you can see it, how it actually looks. Okay, so that looks nice, right? Press 1 to exit this, and want to add one more edge loop here and another one here, just to maintain here this area. And then right click, choose face. We will choose these three faces. Okay. Basically, maybe before that, let's add two more edge loops. Shift right click, one edge loop here and one edge loop here. So now if I will press 3, it looks like this. 1 to exit this, right click, choose face. Let's grab these three faces, let's extrude them. Now tap on one of those cubes on this gizmo, just tap on it and release, and then you will see this middle one. Grab it, click, hold, and bring this inside that way, and then click extrude again and do it once again. Then extrude it once again and push this cube this time that way. Okay, great. So press F8 once or twice to bring it back to object mode. Now we will add two more edge loops. So one more edge loop here. We are trusting this, so here to maintain this, and one more here to maintain this, and then we will rely on these edges and add one edge loop here, one edge loop there. Okay, let's press 3 to see this. F8. Alright, so right click, choose face. Let's shift select this face, shift select, double click this face, so it will look like these, and we can extrude these inside. So I will switch to the move tool and bring it inside a little bit, and then click extrude again, switch to the move tool, and once again, and then one more time extrude, switch to the, no, let's not switch to nothing, just want to tap on one of those cubes and grab the middle one and extrude it maybe that way inside. You know what, maybe not, let's unextrude this time. Let's just add two more edge loops there. Hold down shift, right click, edge loop. So we want to add one edge loop here, one edge loop there, and then right click, choose face. Let's grab these three faces, extrude them, tap on one of those cubes, bring it that way, and then again, and push it inside. Okay, F8 to exit this. Hold on the shift, right click, insert edge loop. We're adding one edge loop here, one edge loop there. Let's press 3 to see this. So see, we have a little bit problem, it's rounded, and we don't want this to be rounded, so we will add a few extra edge loops. So one here, one there, one here, and one there. So now if I will press 3, it will be like that. Let's unselect this so we can see it better. Okay, so you see how it looks, and this is while it's smooth preview, and it looks great. The next thing is to add press 1 to bring it back to object mode. Let's grab these two faces and extrude them. Tap on one of those cubes, grab the middle one, create frame, extrude it once again. Tap on one of those cubes, again frame like that, and extrude it once again. Tap on one of those cubes and frame. Then right click, choose face. Let's grab this inner frame and extrude it, and switch to the move tool. Extrude it inside a little bit, then extrude it once again, switch to the move tool and a bit more, and then press F8 once or twice. We will zoom into this area. Hold down the shift, right click, insert edge loop, add one edge loop here and one edge loop there, one edge loop here, one edge loop here. Okay, F8. I'll press 3 to see this, so it's rounded. So therefore, press 1, bring it back to object mode. We will have to add one edge loop here. Okay, so it's going all the way up and around this washing machine, and one more here. Okay, now let's press 3 and F8 to bring it back to object mode. So now it's maintained and it looks good. So this is it for this part of the tutorial, and we will continue the next part, creating the door for this, and maybe add some more details to this control panel here. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll meet you again at the next part. Bye. Don't forget, by the way, to save this, and that's it. Bye.